skirt, skirt here, skirt, skirt there. Do a right here. And skirt, skirt through here. Skirt to the other side. Skirt, skirt here. Skirt to the other side. Oh no. Thank you. Oh my god. Merci beaucoup. Skirt here. A little bit of skirting this way. Come back out this side. Oh. Oh, alright. That guy looked like, bro. That guy looked like he'd had some weed. Excuse me, sir, with dreadlocks, do you know where I can get some marijuana around here? Oh, it's getting fucking soaked. I need a tree. I cannot see anything. My eyes are clear. And I'm going blind and I'm driving in this lane and I don't know what to do. I'm drenched completely through. No, I'm so wet. My shirt's completely see-through. Everyone can see my thick, raging abs. Bro. No, I'm so scared. I can't see. I fucking can't see. I can't see cars behind me. That's why I'm driving like a granny. The drama Twitter that we created. !X. Click the link and post it there. There's a car behind me, but like there's too many puddles around me for me to. Oh, speed bump. Oh fuck! But it's gonna blow this whole family away over here. Oh my, bro! One of them's on the floor, bro. One of them went in the ocean. I have a fat headache. I have a really fat headache. Not here. A bit further. There's a lot of potholes around here, so I've got to be quite careful. Right. Slow again. Legs up. Sorry, I'm a little quiet chat. I'm trying to concentrate. You don't know? Alright. Thanks, boss. Nobody knows.
Devin, a text said,
sorry,
hey Sam, thanks again for taking us on adventures.
Oh, this is Povo cooking, bro. The guy, the infamous hunched over guy that sells kush.